The sensor is located under a bunch of vacuum and emission hoses, red arrow. Begin by removing the large line to the airbox, yellow arrow, and then move whatever hoses you feel you need to give you enough room to get your hands in. I have removed everything out of the way to give you a better illustration of the sensor, red arrow, but you do not need to move anywhere near the amount of lines shown here. Remove the electrical connection, red arrow, from the sensor, yellow arrow. Lift up on the tab on the connector and then lift the connector off the sensor. The sensor is actually held in place by a small clip that sits in a channel on the housing. Use a flathead screwdriver and pry and slide the clip back out of the housing, red arrow. Remove the sensor by pulling it straight up and out. Always replace the gasket, red arrow, anytime you remove or replace the sensor. The housing, red arrow, can get road grime in it, so make sure you take care not to get any into the pipe and give it a good cleaning before installing the new sensor and O-ring. The new sensor comes with a new gasket or O-ring and clip. Always make sure you replace these. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.